Have you ever opened Google Maps and suddenly everything is in a different language? It can be confusing and frustrating, especially when you just want to get to your destination. Don't worry, today I'll show you exactly how to keep Google Maps in English, step by step, so you never have to deal with language barriers again. The first thing you'll want to do is open your Google browser. From here, you'll have access to all of Google's services, including Google Maps. Look toward the upper right-hand corner of the page and you'll see the Google Apps icon. It looks like a small grid of dots. Click on that, and from the drop-down menu, choose Maps. This will open Google Maps directly. Once Google Maps loads, head to the top left corner of the screen. You'll see three horizontal lines, often called the hamburger menu. Click on it, and a sidebar will open with a variety of options. Scroll through until you find Language. It's usually pretty easy to spot. Click on Language, and you'll see a list of available options. From here, simply select English. Once you do, Google Maps will instantly update and switch to English for all your navigation, directions, and map details. If you notice that the changes don't take effect right away, just refresh your browser. In some cases, you may need to clear your browser's cache if the language keeps reverting back. Don't worry though, once you've selected English, Google Maps will usually remember your preference moving forward. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you can make sure Google Maps always stays in English, making your trips smooth and stress-free. Whether you're traveling abroad, planning a road trip, or just finding the nearest coffee shop, having maps in the right language makes all the difference. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helped you out. If it did, be sure to give it a like and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials.